Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have explained you the strategy to score 99.9% in SSLC exam. And in that video, I mentioned two important points, that is regarding the calculated timetable and regarding the paper solving. And I said that we will be making exclusively different videos, separate videos for these 2 points because these two strategies are very important. So in this video, we are going to check about the calculated timetable. How exactly we have to make the timetable to study for SSLC exam. And if your intention is to score 99 to 100% marks, then you have to follow this calculated timetable. So in what way the timetable is required for SSLC? Usually what we do, at 6 a.m. I get up, or at 5 a.m. I get up. Then 5:30 to 6:30 I study. Then from this time to this time my school hours, then this to this my class hours, then this to this time again I am going to study. No, this type of timetable is not going to help you. So what type of timetable is exactly required for this board exam? Calculated timetable means you have to use the available time efficiently to study the number of lessons. So this calculated timetable is very important for your preparation. And now this preparation goes in 3 steps. So when you prepare for your board exam, this preparation goes in 3 steps. So this preparation goes in 3 steps: basic, advanced and final. So how you have to set your timetable according to this. Now your board exam, it's going to be in the month of March. Okay, we will consider that it's going to be in the month of March. So how you are going to utilize this available time, and that is the calculated timetable. So what exactly comes in basic? What is the basic preparation? Here what you have to do in the month of April and May. Okay, in the month of, here it comes month of April and May. In these 2 months, you have to complete just simple reading of all your textbooks. You have to complete the reading of all your textbooks. All other points, as I said, is already explained in our previous video. Your textbooks, the reference books, everything is ready in your hand now. So first, in these 2 months, only read the textbooks. Even go through the science and even math chapters. Just see what exactly you have to face, what chapters are there for your board exam. So that you have to do in this 2 months. Just read it once, twice. How many times it's possible for you? You just read your textbook. If possible, just read 2 times all your textbook. Simple reading, that's it. Now next comes the advanced preparation. Now in this advanced part, what you have to do is you have to use your time from June to December. June to December. So from month of June to the month of December, we have 7 months in our hand. Now we have 7 months. Let's take approximately 30 days per month. So we have 210 days in our hand to study. Now what you have to do, check the number of lessons in each subject. Check the number of lessons in each subject. Note down, do total of that. Let's say, for example, you have altogether 100 lessons. 100 lessons. And these 100 lessons, you have to study thoroughly in this 7 months. You have to study thoroughly these 100 lessons in this 7 months. Now if you divide this 100 by 7, okay, 7 ones are 7, 3, 4 and some point we get, means approximately 15 lessons in a month. You have to study 15 lessons in 1 month. 15 lessons in a month means 15 lessons in 30 days. 15 lessons in 30 days means we have, for 1 lesson, we have 2 days in your hand. But But what here you have to do is, you have to complete these 15 lessons in 20 days. In 20 days instead of 30 days. Why? I'll explain you later. So, you have to complete 15 lessons in 20 days. On an average, you have to complete 15 lessons in 1 month. That you have to do. And again, this will be divided. 2 lessons of English, 2 lessons of Hindi, 2 lessons of your state language, 2 chapters of mathematics. Like that, you have to divide and you have to study. Now, here comes the timetable. So, timetable here, what you have to do, instead of focusing on the fixed hours, you have to study on fixed number of lessons. Means yes, today I will complete this one lesson. And of course, you have to set the time. Means morning 2 hours I will study or evening 2 hours you study. According to your school timing, according to your personal timetable. Few students, they can get up early in the morning and they can study. But it's not possible in all the cases. If you can get up early in the morning and study, it's well and good. But if it's not possible, there is no harm in that. If you have a habit of studying late night, you can even do that. Even that helps you to score best marks in your exam. But you have to set fixed hours. Instead of fixed timings, set fixed hours for your study and focus on the number of lessons. And you can be flexible. Suppose today, if you're not able to get up early in the morning, you have to arrange that time somewhere in the remaining part of the day and you have to complete the fixed lesson. What you have already planned, you have to complete in that particular day. So this way you have to follow this timetable. And by the end of December, you should be perfect in all the chapters of all your subjects. So this comes in this advanced part. Now what comes in this final part? In this final part comes paper solving. Paper solving is not just taking the paper and start solving. No. Even paper solving is very important aspect in scoring good marks in your exam. And this is the reason why I am going to make one different separate video in which I'll be explaining what exactly is paper solving. Even in paper solving, there are 3 steps. You have to follow 3 strategies. You have to follow 3 points when you start solving these papers. It's not just take the papers and start solving. No, it's not so. Paper solving is very important part, and so I'll make one video. Link will be shared in the description box and you have to watch even that video. Now, as I said, few important points I'll be telling you at the end of this video. So what are those? Here, instead of 210 days, okay, instead of 210 days, here what we consider taking 30 days per month, we have to complete our planned portion in 20 days. So what is the reason? What is the reason for leaving this 10 days per month? See, from June to December, you are going to face few exams. The schools they conduct exams in between, FA1, FA2 or semester. Some exams comes in between. So at that time, we cannot go according to this planned timetable. So that time we have to focus only on our exam. So this is the reason why I asked you to leave 10 days per month. Means 10 into 7, we have 70 days in our hand. And apart from these exam days, you can also reserve your weekends for paper solving. And what exactly you have to do from that weekends, as I said, I'll be explaining that in this video, which will be based only on paper solving. So this is how you have to prepare your timetable if you want to score 99 to 100% marks in your board exam. And one more important thing is, you have to always focus on the goal percentage. What are your goal percentage? 99, 100? Yes, focus on that. And for that, right from day one, you have to be serious and you have to seriously follow the timetable what you make. So how to score best marks, already it is explained in first video. And in this video, we saw how to make the calculated timetable, what type of timetable is going to help you to score best marks in your exam. And one more thing, that is regarding the paper solving. So even that video you have to watch without fail. So if you watch these 3 videos properly, completely, and follow the strategies explained in each and every video, I assure you best marks in your board exam. So my dear students, don't forget to share these important videos among your friends. These videos will definitely help you to score best marks. And to get the updates of such useful videos, do subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. And thank you so much for watching this video till